Why is it so important that a stable pH and temperature are maintained in the body? 4 marks. So there are lots of different things that you can talk about for this question, and it's a question that comes up in lots of different topics many times. You need to think about why pH and temperature are important in the body. Well, they're important for homeostasis and making sure that chemical reactions can take place at the best possible rate, the quickest rate. So pH and temperature are important for optimum enzyme function. They're important for making sure that enzymes can work as efficiently as possible. If you have too high or too low a pH, enzymes will denature. That means that the enzyme, the active site of the enzyme, will change shape so that it's no longer complementary to the substrate. Therefore, the thing that it's working on will no longer be able to fit inside the active site of the enzyme. So the enzyme and its substrate will not be able to bind together, and so the reaction can't take place. Make sure you say denatured and not killed, because enzymes aren't alive. They can't be killed. They can only be denatured. If the temperature is too low, then the rate of reaction will be too low. That's just basic chemistry. If you have low temperature, you have low energy, and so a low rate of reaction. However, unlike in chemistry, you can't just continue to increase the temperature of the reaction because the enzyme will denature at very high temperatures. Again, the same thing happens. The active site changes shape so that it is no longer complementary to the substrate. The substrate can no longer bind with the enzyme and the reaction can no longer take place.